This video was filmed in Hungarian and dubbed in English. Hello and welcome to the Catletics channel. I'm Elise and we are going to bake a chocolate mug cake. It is really fast, really healthy and really yummy. So let's get to it. But before we do, let me just tell you that I would love it if you gave us the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, followed us on social media, on Instagram and Facebook, and became our Patreon and supported our videos. Thank you, and let's get to it. What we're going to be using is coconut oil, oatmeal, almond milk, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar or any sweetener, chocolate if you like. I'm going to be using dark chocolate, baking powder, if I haven't said it already, salt, and I'm going to be adding grated zucchini because it adds volume and is also healthy. We take a pretty mug or any mug you like and we add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We are going to put it into the microwave because we need it in a melted consistency. So I put it in for 1 minute or half a minute, depending on your microwave. Let's check if it's good. Yep, it's melted, so we can go on. We add the 4 tablespoons of oatmeal or any flour you like, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener, or more if you like, the zucchini. I add 2 pinches or 2 tablespoons. They make our cake a little healthier, add volume and fiber to it, and mix it all together a little. We add the 5 tablespoons of almond milk. The cake is supposed to be gooey in the middle, so don't get scared if it seems a little too fluid in consistency now. It already smells really good. Let's add the baking soda. I'm going to be adding about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Adding the pinch of salt. If you find it too fluid, you can always add a little more cocoa powder or oatmeal, but the consistency should be like that of when you're making pancakes, so it's more liquid than a normal cake. And now we add the chocolate, if you like. I added 2 rows of a chocolate bar from really dark chocolate, and I'm adding 3/4 of that to the cake now. Mix it up. Try to really get into the corners and the sides so you don't get any oatmeal that is stuck down. The consistency of the cake will be like that of a brownie, so it will be fudgy and gooey. My chocolate already started melting. And if we are happy with the consistency, we can add it to the microwave. I am putting it in for 2 minutes. All done. Our beautiful cake is done. I am adding the rest of the chocolate, and you are welcome to add any fruit or jam or marmalade or nuts. Getting creative with your cake and breakfast and desserts is always fun. That was on purpose. And let's taste our cake. But I'll take a picture first. Very good. The inside is all gooey. Still hot but yummy. Thank you for baking with me.